Hey guys, gonna do a DVD unboxing video for May 4th of 2023, which also means it's Star Wars Day, which which is always Star Wars Day every year. And I only got one DVD off eBay to show you all, which came from this package right here, and can't show you the address of that. There we go. We got the 2007 DVD of the Simpsons movie right here. This is the widescreen version right here, because I also got the full screen version right there. Yeah, it says, I've been willing to watch it 20 or 30 more times. It's got the New York Times right there. And the special features are commentary, director's commentary. Please see the slightly alter any special stuff in the live trailers right here. And it's rated PG for every humor throughout. It's rated PG in Canada. It's 87 minutes. And oh, and there's a disc right here. The widescreen version has Homer Simpson's donut right there. The mobs right there. Oh wait. Apparently, I don't have the slip cover for that. And it's for Simpsons New Ride coming in 2008, which is already there. It's got the Simpsons game right there. And wait, hold on, that's not it. And that's gonna do it for this unboxing video for May 4th, 2023, which is the day on this holiday is Star Wars Day. So that's gonna do it. I'll see you guys for another video.